Hi viewers, welcome back to the review of Philips hair dryer. This is the review of Philips hair dryer. You can visible here. This is it. Okay, you can visible.
Wow!
This is the hair dryer. Amazing hair dryer. It is in light blue and dark blue. See. You can open here. See. You can fix. This is the wire. You can see here control buttons. See. Salon Roy Compact 100 watt Philips, sponsored by Philips. I will show you by blowing it. See here. See. This is, you can change. See, I will on switch. See here. First on downside, you have to move, and for more speed, you have to move upward. For first, you have to move middle. After you want to, for more speed, you have to move full upper. It will blows fast. It is the hot hair dryer. After you have to cool it. After keep it inside. Cool it for 5 minutes and you have to keep it inside. And there are some days inside. This is the empty paper. And the instructions are given here. Here warranty code. I bought it from Amazon. Driver hairs. See here the instructions are given. There are many instructions. By your wet hands, you couldn't switch on it. After drying your hands, you have to touch. See, these are some. Thank you for watching it. Please like, share and subscribe to Lakshmi channel.